Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start Hindi. The last day we completed the first chapter and some more exercise is pending that we can complete today. Take page number 11. All of take your textbook and take page number 11. Everyone completed this homework? Yes. Then see the next one, third one. यह कविता हमें क्या संदेश देती है? Write the message of the poem. हमें यह कविता क्या संदेश देती है? Yes, हमें यह कविता कवि हमारे पास क्या कहते हैं? कवि हमारे पास कहते हैं कि हम प्रकृति से प्रेम करना चाहिए. हम प्रकृति से प्रेम करना चाहिए. जिस प्रकार प्रकृति में सभी अपना अपना काम करते हैं, सुबह के सभी अपना अपना काम में मुक्त होते हैं, उसी प्रकार हम भी सुबह में उठकर हमारे कर्तव्य करना चाहिए. We also want to do our duties. We love our nature and we do our duties. जिस प्रकार प्रकृति के सभी चीज़ें अपना काम जिस प्रकार करते हैं, उसी प्रकार हम भी हमारा काम करना चाहिए. यही है इस कविता का संदेश. Don't worry, this one I will send through WhatsApp. The next exercise you look. First one, दिए गए शब्दों में से अलग अर्थ वाले शब्द पर घोड़ा लगाकर पर्यायवाची शब्द पढ़ो. When we take that class, that time we discussed some पर्यायवाची शब्द, synonyms, isn't it? Yes. That here given that words, then circle the word with a different meaning. From there we can study synonyms of each words. Okay children? Yes, first one you listen. Hava, Pavan, Vayu, Gushbu. Here given the 4 words. Hava, Pavan, Vayu, Gushbu. Which word has different meaning? Which word have different meaning? Here given 4 words. Yes, first one Hava. Hava means wind. Pavan, that also same meaning. And Vayu, that also same meaning. And last one Gushbu. Gushbu means smell, sweet smell. It's giving different meaning. Okay children, that first one is Gushbu. That one is different meaning. Give the circle. Like that. Second one, Phool, Sugandh, Pushp, Kusum. Phool, Sugandh, Pushp, Kusum. Yes, Phool. Phool means flower. Sugandh, that's the meaning is flower? No, its meaning is smell. Or Pushp, Pushp flower. Or Kusum, Kusum also flower. Phool, that पर्यायवाची शब्द है. Pushp, Kusum, that and all the पर्यायवाची synonyms for the Phool. So, which word we want to give that gola? Circle. For which word we want to give circle? Yes, Sugandh. Second one, Sugandh. Our third one, Patta, Patra, Path, Jad. Patta, Patra, Path, Jad. Here that first 3, that means Patta, Patra, Path. That same meaning, that means leaf. Patta, Patra, Path. That 3 words having same meanings. Then Jad. Jad means root. Root of one plant. That is a Jad. Okay. So, you want to give the circle for third, last one. Jad. Okay. Then fourth one. Savera, Subha, Sandhya, Prathakal. You got which word is different meaning? Savera, Subha, Sandhya, Prathakal. This and all we already discussed in our class. So you say which word is different, which word has a different meaning. Yes, सवेरे सुबह संध्या प्रातः काल. Sandhya. You want to give the circle for this word Sandhya. That means evening time. Savera mean what is the meaning Savera? Yes, morning. Subha, that also morning. Pratakal, that also morning. That same meaning. पर्यायवाची शब्द है. और last one पक्षी, तितली, चिड़िया, घग. So the words pakshi. Pakshi means what's the meaning of pakshi? Yes, bird. Titli means yes, butterfly. Titli, butterfly. Third one chidiya. Chidiya also bird. Ghag, that also bird. So for which word we want to give the circle? Yes, titli. That's another meaning. That means titli means butterfly. Other three words having the same meaning. That is bird. Chidiya, ghag, pakshi. That and a bird. Okay, children. So once again we can say this one. First one, Hava, Pavan, Vayu, Gushpu. Here already is that circle. Which word is different meaning? Gushpu. Then Phool, Sugandh, Pushpa, Kusum. Here in the second one, yes, Sugandh. That is the different meaning word. Then third one, Patta, Patra, Path, Jad. Yeah, Jad. You want to give the circle for that word, Jad. Savera, Subha, Sandhya, Pratakal. Yes, Sandhya. The different meaning word is Sandhya. You want to give the circle for Sandhya. Pakshi, Titali, Chidiya, Ghag. Third, you want to give Titali. Yes, Titali means butterfly. Other three words meaning is bird. Okay, children, who got it? Yes, so you want to do this exercise. Then next one, that also very easy. Listen. Udaharan samjho or karo. Understand and write. Here given examples like that. We want to write the given words also. Yes, paudhe paudhe. Paudhe paudhe means har paudhe. Paudhe paudhe har paudhe. Pal pal. Here given one example like that we want to write the given words also. Yes. Paudhe paudhe har paudhe. Paudhe paudhe har paudhe. Paudhe paudhe har paudhe. Pal pal. Pal pal. Yes. How we will write? Here given one example like that. You want to write this also. Pal pal. Yes. Har pal. Pal pal. Har pal. Din din. 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 How we will write this third one? Din din. Yes. Har din. Din din. Har din. The next side. Dheere dheere. Dheere dheere means slowly. Dheere dheere slowly. Dheere dheere bahut dheere. Dheere dheere bahut dheere. Then पीछे पीछे. How we will write पीछे पीछे? Yes, बहुत पीछे. पीछे पीछे बहुत पीछे. और सुंदर सुंदर. Yes, बहुत सुंदर. सुंदर सुंदर. सुंदर सुंदर. बहुत सुंदर. सुंदर सुंदर बहुत सुंदर. उदाहरण समझो और करो. Understand and write. Here given some examples like that. We want to write the given words. पौधे पौधे हर पौधे. पल पल हर पल. दिन दिन हर दिन. धीरे धीरे बहुत धीरे. पीछे पीछे बहुत पीछे. सुंदर सुंदर बहुत सुंदर. It's not very easy. You want to write that also in your textbook. Okay, you got it, this and all. पौधे पौधे, हर पौधे, पल पल, हर पल, दिन दिन, हर दिन, धीरे धीरे, बहुत धीरे, पीछे पीछे, बहुत पीछे, सुंदर सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर. This also you want to write in your textbook. This also you want to do in your textbook. Second one also in your textbook. Okay children, you got it? Then take the next page, page number 12. विलोम शब्दों के जोड़े बनाओ. Match the words with their opposites. Match the words with their opposite. That also we can discuss now. Listen. Savera. Savera. So what is the meaning of Savera? Savera. Morning. Yes, Savera. Morning. Its opposite is Sanj. Savera, Sanj. Some words we already discussed in first class. Are you remembering? Yes. Savera, Sanj. The next one, Aaj. Aaj. What is the meaning? Aaj. Yes, today. Aaj. What is the opposite? Kal. Aaj, kal. Today and tomorrow. Savera, Sanj, Aaj, kal. Then third one, udna. Udna. Yes, baitna. Udna, baitna. Udho, baitho. Udna, baitna. Then purab. Purab means, what is the meaning of this word purab? Purab mein फैले बादल देखा. In that poem we discussed what's the meaning of this word purab. Yes, east. What is the opposite of east? Yes, paschim. East, west. That directions. East, west, north, south. Okay. Purab, paschim. The next one, prataha. Prataha. That also meaning is Savera. Savera, Prataha, morning. And Sayam, opposite. Sayam, Prataha, Sayam. And Sundar. Sundar, opposite. Yes, Asundar. Sundar, Asundar. Savera, Sanj, Aaj, Kal, Udna, Baidna, Purab, Paschim, Prataha, Sayam, Sundar, Asundar. Got it children? Yes, you want to match with spare. Okay. Savera, Sanj, Aaj, Kal, Udna, Baidna, Purab, Paschim, Prataha, Sayam, Sundar, Asundar. All of you got this all opposite words. Okay. Then see, ye bhi jano. Some more words given here. Uttar, Dakshin. That here that Uttar means two meaning is there for Uttar. Here that Uttar, Dakshin. That means you know. North, south. Uttar means Uttar, Uttar, north, Dakshin, south. Okay. Uttar, north, Dakshin, south. Pratakal, Sayankal, Andagar, Pragash. Andagar, that means darkness. Andagar, Pragash. Or Taza, Basi. Taza means fresh. Taza, Basi. These are the opposite words from this chapter. Once again, I will read this all. Listen. Savera, Sanj, Aaj, Kal, Udna, Baidna, Purab, Paschim, Prataha, Sayam, Sundar, Asundar, Uttar, Dakshin, Pratakal, Sayankal, Andagar, Pragash, Taza, Basi. Okay. You want to by heart this all opposite words also. Okay children, this you want to match it with the pair. Okay. Then take the next page, page number 13. Page number 13. That first, second exercise, अंग्रेजी महीनों के नाम लिखो. Mahina means, what is the meaning? Mahina. Yes, Mahina. Mahina means Mahina, month. Mahina, month. अंग्रेजी महीना, अंग्रेजी means English. अंग्रेजी महीनों के नाम लिखो. Write the, yes, what is the meaning? Write the months names. Okay, children, here given some months name that we want to fill the blanks. Okay, January. Yes, I will write here. You listen. January. Then which one is the second month? February. And we will write in February. Okay. In February we will write in English and in Hindi February. January, February. Then March already given here. March. The next one after March. April. Then May. After May, yes, June. June. Then July. August. August. Yes. Then August. September. August. September. October. 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 Then November. Last one, December. Yes, listen children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Listen. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. This also you want to write in your textbook. Okay children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. अंग्रेजी महीनों के नाम लिखो. Here you want to write this name of months. Okay. Yes. See the children. Third one. भारत का मानचित्र देखो. चारों दिशाओं में स्थित दो प्रदेशों को नाम लिखो. See here. Here given that direction. 4 directions. That means Uttar. Uttar means north. Then Dakshin. Dakshin means south. And Purab east. Pashchim west. You got these directions? Uttar, Dakshin, Purab, Pashchim. North, south, east, west. These are the 4 directions. Then what you want to do? Yes, listen. Here given that 2 space for writing 2 states name in Uttar Disha and in north direction. Any 2 states name you want to write here. Okay. Uttar here. Uttar that means north direction. And here see Uttar, then downside south. Dakshin Bag. Downside. Or Dakshin here given 2 space for write the 2 states name. दो प्रदेशों के नाम लिखो. Any 2 states name in south direction in our India. Okay. Then here you see Purab. Purab means east. Purab east. In the east direction here you want to write any 2 states name in east direction. Okay. Then here Pashchim west. two states name you want to write here. This is the homework. Okay, in north, south, east, west, states name you want to write here. You got the idea what I told? This is your homework, and this exercise which one we discussed here, that you want to write, that all answers I already write on the board, that you want to write in your textbook, this exercise part. Okay, and this also you want to write here. This is your homework. Okay children, we completed the first chapter. Okay, anybody have any doubt from any part? Okay, then we can go the next chapter. All of take page number 14. Page number 14. The second chapter. First chapter we completed everything. Then we can take the second chapter. Second chapter name Padho Garam Jamun. Garam Jamun. This is one story. Garam Jamun. Garam means, what is the meaning? You know garam? Yes, its meaning is hot. Garam, hot. Then jamun. You know what is the meaning of jamun? Do you hear blackberries? Yes, jamun means berry. Okay, garam jamun. Listen. बहुत पहले तमिलनाडु में एक बड़ी कवयित्री रहती थी। उसका नाम ओवैयार था। उसकी विद्वता के कारण पूरे देश के लोग उसका बहुत सम्मान करते थे। बड़े बड़े विद्वान भी उसकी कविताओं में मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते थे। समय समय पर ओवैयार राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी। ओवैयार जब रास्ते से गुजरती थी तो लोग उसे हाथ जोड़कर प्रणाम करते थे। छोटे तो छोटे, बड़े भी ओवैयार को देखकर उसके लिए रास्ता छोड़ देते थे। एक दिन दोपहर के समय ओवैयार बाजार की तरफ जा रही थी। जिस सड़क पर वह चल रही थी उसके दोनों ओर जामुन के पेड़ लगे थे। उन पेड़ों पर जामुन लदे हुए थे। काले काले रसदार जामुन देखकर ओवैयार के मुंह में पानी आ गया। लेकिन जामुन के सभी पेड़ ऊंचे थे। उसके सामने समस्या यह थी कि वो जामुन कैसे तोड़े। वृद्धावस्था में बालकों की तरह पेड़ पर कूदकर चढ़ जाना उसके वश की बात नहीं थी। वह आसपास देखने लगी कि शायद कोई बच्चा दिख जाए। तभी ओवैयार की नज़र एक पेड़ पर पड़ी। वहाँ एक चरवाहे का लड़का चढ़ा हुआ जामुन खा रहा था। बालक ने ओवैयार को देखा तो झट से प्रणाम करके कहा, मौसी, बड़े स्वादिष्ट जामुन है, कहो तो कुछ तुम्हारे लिए गिरा दूँ। ओवैयार की मन की मुराद पूरी हो गई। वह तो यही चाहती थी। उसने कहा, बेटा, मेरा मन तो बहुत कर रहा है। यदि कुछ जामुन गिरा दो तो तुम्हें लाख दुआएं दूंगी। बालक ने पूछा, मौसी, गिराने को तो अभी गिरा दो, लेकिन कौन से जामुन खाना पसंद करोगी, गरम या ठंडे? ये सुनकर ओवैयार का सिर चकरा गया। उसने तर्क में बड़े बड़े विद्वानों को परास्त किया था, बहुत सी पोथियाँ पढ़ी थी, फिर भी आज तक कभी जामुनों के डंडे और गर्म होने की बात नहीं सुनी थी। उसे सोच में पड़ा देखकर बालक फिर कहने लगा, बोलो मौसी, कौन से जामुन गिराओ? Listen children, here first page we can explain the meaning. What's chapter name? Ghara jamun or berries. We all like to eat fruits, that means berries, different kinds of fruits we will get, that everyone like to eat that. Here यहाँ you see, बहुत पहले तमिलनाडु में एक बड़ी कवयित्री रहती थी। बहुत पहले दैट मीन्स लॉन्ग एगो, बिफोर अ लॉन्ग एगो तमिलनाडु में एक बड़ी कवयित्री मीन्स यू नो कवयित्री, poetess, that means the opposite gender of kavi, opposite gender of kavi, poet, कवयित्री, poetess. बहुत साल पहले तमिलनाडु में एक बड़ी कवयित्री रहती थी। बहुत पहले तमिलनाडु में एक बड़ी कवयित्री रहती थी। ओके गो, देयर वाज ए कवयित्री, शी वाज लिव इन तमिलनाडु। कहाँ रहती थी? यस, कहाँ रहती थी? तमिलनाडु में। तमिलनाडु में बहुत साल पहले, साल मीन्स ईयर्स, बहुत साल पहले तमिलनाडु में एक बड़ी कवयित्री, ग्रेट पोएटेस लिव्ड इन तमिलनाडु। उसका नाम ओवैयार था। उसका नाम क्या था? उस कवयित्री का नाम क्या था? यस, ओवैयार। उस कवयित्री का नाम है, कवयित्री का नाम ओवैयार था। हर नेम इज ओवैयार। उसकी विद्वता के कारण पूरे देश के लोग उसका बहुत सम्मान करते थे। उसकी विद्वता मीन्स स्कॉलर, दैट मीन्स शी इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट। विद्वता मीन्स स्कॉलर, नॉलेज। उसकी विद्वता के कारण, विद्वता स्कॉलर, विद्वता स्कॉलर और इंटेलिजेंट। इसकी विद्वता के कारण पूरे देश के लोग उसका बहुत सम्मान करते थे। सम्मान, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड सम्मान? सम्मान नॉट प्राइज हियर। सम्मान मीन्स रेस्पेक्ट। इन हिंदी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड सम्मान? This word is similar with Malayalam, that means sammanam, and what is the meaning? That prize or gift. But here what is the meaning of samman in Hindi? Yes, respect. उसकी विद्वता के कारण पूरे देश के लोग उसका बहुत सम्मान करते थे। She was very intelligent, because of that everyone, that all peoples respected her. तमिलनाडु में बहुत साल पहले एक कवयित्री रहती थी। उसका नाम क्या है? उसका नाम ओवैयार था। और उसकी विद्वता, शी वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ हर इंटेलिजेंट एवरीवन, दैट मीन्स ऑल पीपल रेस्पेक्टेड हर। उसका बहुत सम्मान करते थे। शी वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एवरीवन रेस्पेक्टेड हर। गॉट इट? बड़े बड़े विद्वान भी उसकी कविताओं से मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते थे। मंत्रमुग्ध मीन्स एनग्रोस्ड। मंत्रमुग्ध एनग्रोस्ड। बड़े बड़े विद्वान भी उसकी कविताओं से मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते थे। दैट मीन्स अदर ग्रेट पर्सन्स ऑल्सो they also engrossed in her poem. She is writing more poems than other great peoples also engrossed in her. When they read her poem, they also engrossed means मुरुगुगा, engrossed in her poem. समय समय पर ओवैयार राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी। समय समय पर ओवैयार राज दरबार मीन्स रॉयल कोर्ट, राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी। No, that means in that time, before a long ago, that time in royal court they are conducting some programs. That means they are like debates. They will more peoples, they will, that means poets and all sitting together and they will talking about the poems and all. Like that समय समय पर ओवैयार राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में, that means all poets together, they will assemble in one place and they will talk about the poem. Okay. और समय समय पर ओवैयार राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी। She also participated in this type of meetings. Okay, in royal court they will conduct meetings in between the poets. Then she also participated in that meeting. Okay children, समय समय पर ओवैयार राज दरबार में royal court, they will conduct the meetings among the poets. Then she also ओवैयार also participated in that meeting. ओवैयार जब रास्ते से गुजरती थी लोग उसे हाथ जोड़कर प्रणाम करती थी। रास्ता मीन्स वे, रास्ता वे। That means ओवैयार जब रास्ते से गुजरती थी, when she is walking on the way, that means ओवैयार she was walking on the way, that means that time तो लोग उसे हाथ जोड़कर प्रणाम करते थे। people what they are do, they are when ओवैयार is passing on the way, through the way, and that time other peoples when they see this ओवैयार they will wish her. Okay, and they will folded their hands and they will wish ओवैयार. When ओवैयार passing on the way, the peoples wished her. छोटे तो छोटे बड़े भी ओवैयार को देखकर उसके लिए रास्ता छोड़ते थे। That means if ओवैयार is passing on the way, if other people are coming, that means just small or big, if people are coming, they will move the way, then she will walk on that way. Like that they are giving that peoples, they are giving that much respect towards this ओवैयार. Why you know? Because of her intelligence. That means ओवैयार बहुत बुद्धिमती थी, इसलिए सभी लोग उसका सम्मान करते थे। बहुत साल पहले तमिलनाडु में एक कवयित्री रहती थी, उसका नाम है, क्या है उसका नाम? यस, ओवैयार। हर नेम इज ओवैयार और वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, बहुत बुद्धिमती है। उसकी विद्वता के कारण सभी लोग पूरे देश मीन्स कंट्री, पूरे देश ऑल ओवर द कंट्री, और पूरे देश के लोग उसका सम्मान करते थे। बिकॉज ऑफ हर इंटेलिजेंस एवरीवन रेस्पेक्टेड हर। और बड़े बड़े विद्वान भी उसकी कविताओं से मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते थे। Other great scholars also, they also engrossed in her poem. That much good poems she is writing. Then when they read that poem, they also engrossed in her poem. समय समय पर ओवैया राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी. ओवैया राज दरबार में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी. That means she so participated in that royal court. They will conduct some meetings in between the poet, among the poets. Then she also participated in that meeting. और ओवैया जब रास्ते से गुजरती थी तो लोग उसे हाथ जोड़कर प्रणाम करते थे. When that Ovaiyar is passed through the way, then other people, when people saw her, then they respected her. That means how she is respecting their folder, they will wish her. और छोटे तो छोटे और बड़े भी ओवैयार को देखकर उसके लिए रास्ता छोड़ देते थे. Then small or big away, or that means all people, they will move away. For that move away from the way, that means they when Ovaiyar is walking on the way, they will move from that way and she will walk. Then you want to read this chapter, that remaining portion we can take in next class. Then in first chapter some exercise we discussed today, that also you want to write in your textbook. Then homework also I given, that also you do. Then read this chapter also. I am going to wind up this section. Thank you. Have a nice day.